Hi guys, I want to talk to you about container gardening today. I want you, Gracie, you gonna help me do the video? Yeah? These containers I actually got at a garage sale and they were marked free. They have drainage holes in the bottom, and so I decided to bring them home with me and create another zone for tomatoes. So I'm growing some super sweets. Those are called super sweet. That one, I guess I could. So that's a super sweet. You can probably see the label. That one's just, I call it my favorite tomato because I don't know the name or the breed or where it came from, but I just know it is my favorite. It's a perfect little, not a cherry tomato, but not a full tomato. It's kind of small, really sweet and delicious. Just the right amount of meaty to juicy. And then we've got carrots commingled in, and then we've got some mortgage busters and some other different breeds. There's a large cherry tomato back there, another super sweet, and then a couple of my the favorites, again with carrots. So if all you have is a patio, you can do this. If all the space you have is a little backyard, you can do this. You can start as small as that. That's what I did. My first year, I started that small because I was unsure. I didn't know if I could do it or not. Here's another example. You can turn landscaping into an edible landscape. This is orange mint, and if you could smell this, just a little rub of the leaf, it smells amazing. And you know, you clip some of that and you can put that in your tea or with your coffee or whatever floats your boat. You could make an ice cream and flavor it with an orange mint. I think it would go really well with chocolate. Just really, really, what a fun way to landscape a yard, right? Or a back deck or a patio or whatever. And then we have an elderberry tree that is what we started planting here. You can see the microbiome is really healthy. We've got mushrooms growing. We decided to throw a little carrot in there with the marigolds. And then over here we've got strawberries. One huge sunflower that just decided to volunteer up through the bricks. And then over here we've got a couple of recycled planters, and we have some little peppers growing in there. Amaranth spinach. See how small these containers are? Anybody can do it. Space is not an issue. Some peppermint growing here. More strawberries. You can see that some of these strawberries are coming around, getting ready to ripen up. So, and then here's some African basil along with some purple opal basil. This is just in a hanging pot. So room is not an excuse. Space is not an excuse to not get into gardening. Get those hands dirty. Get out there. Get your hands dirty. It's so fun. You can do this. And when you decide to do whatever it is you're gonna do, what container you're gonna choose, share it with me. Let's do it together. If you have questions, I'd love to help you. Let's get you going. Let's get you started in gardening. All right, thanks for watching.